Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aditya, and if you don't know who I am, go and watch some of my other videos. It'll give you a very good idea. Today's video, we're going to do a short one. We're going to talk about an AI tool that I recently came across, and I thought I'll share it with all of you because I liked it quite a fair bit and it could help you in certain things. So what is this new AI tool that we're going to be showing you and talking about today? It's called Napkin.ai. What does Napkin.ai do? Napkin.ai turns your text into nice visuals and infographics that you can use in your presentations, in your reports, in certain documents that you want. And I tried it out a few times and it's quite good, and the diagrams or the images that it comes up with are very usable as well. Currently Napkin.ai is in free beta mode, so it doesn't cost you anything. You can just sign up and try it out for yourself. I'll leave the link for how you sign up and where you sign up in the comments in the description, as well as the pinned comment. You can get it from there. And let's very quickly go and take a look of how this app works. All right, so once you log in, you're going to get the screen like you see here on my right, on my left, I don't know, some direction. And what you can do is it's just a blank canvas like this, and you can say I want to create a new napkin. You have two options that you see. You can either create the napkin using AI, or you can have a blank one. I'll just zoom in a little bit here so you guys can see. So drafting with AI is basically giving a prompt and saying come up with some text for me, and then you can work on that text. Blank is you start off and you start with your own thing. Okay, let's in this case say I want to draft something with AI. Once you click on that, it comes up with a small text box prompt where you can key in what you want in your draft, and you can generate some text using AI. So something like a ChatGPT style output. Okay, let's say that I am currently building a new learning management system, and I am looking for the right cloud provider. Please provide me some comparisons based on which I can choose. So it's just a random prompt that I just came up with on the top of my head. You can type anything you want as a prompt. There are some options given here as examples for a start for you. Once you've keyed in your prompt, you can click on continue. Takes a few seconds, and then gives you a very nicely put together text output or textual output. And you can see that it's currently writing, and as it's writing, it kind of moves down the document to show you how much it's written. All right, so it came up with quite a fairly large document. It has a conclusion, has a few cloud providers here, as you can see, has a few points under each one of them. Now, once something like this is created for you, then what you'll see on the side of each piece of text, whether it's in a paragraph form, whether it's in a point format, you'll see this small lightning kind of button here, icon here, and you can click on that. And what happens is once you click on that, Napkin kind of scans that particular piece of text, and then it comes up with an image or a diagram, or in PowerPoint you can call this like a smart art, or it could be infographics based on your information, something that you can use to depict what's written, right? And as you can see, it's quite good because it came up with the icons, used the text, has a nice little image, and then it has a bunch of other images that you can choose from, just as you would do with SmartArt in PowerPoint. But here you have a variety of different ones, unlike SmartArt, which is quite fixed, and you have only those boxes and arrows that you can use. So it's quite nice. And what you can do is you can go ahead and, let's say for example, choose one of them. Let's say I want to choose something like this. it gives you further options for customizing what you chose. So the colors, the fonts, the text, so on and so forth. Let's say I want something like this. So once I choose that, then I can further customize it, right? I can say I want my font to be something else. I want my color scheme to be something else. So you can make those changes to the text, to the fonts, to the color scheme, and so on, as in how you need it. And then this is how it looks like. Now the best part about this is that once you come up with this sort of a diagram, right, you can actually choose to download it. So once you click on the download button, it'll show you what it's downloading. You can choose to have the background on or off. So if you want a transparent one, you can just turn it off. You can choose the resolution, choose the format, and then you can click on download. And it just goes ahead and downloads the file that you can then use in your PowerPoint presentation, in your document that you're writing, and so on. And the best thing is it does this not only for bullet points, but you can also do it for something like this, right? So if you have a paragraph and the paragraph has certain things that it can pick up, then it can create something like this. Again, it's quite useful. Maybe if you think you can use it, then you can just select it, have something like this, just like a very good depiction of the conclusion, right? And then you can kind of choose what style you want. I kind of like this. And then you can download it and put it in your document again. Again, you can make those changes and so on. And you can always edit the text. So if you're not happy with the text that the initial prompt gave you, you can edit it and always paste some other text from somewhere else as well. And you know what the best part is? When I look at this sort of interface, it reminds me of school and college, because this is the actual notebook that all of us in school and college used to write on, right? So that's the best part about it. So nostalgia is filled into this particular application. So once you create this, then it goes into your library here, as you can see. And every time you create a new napkin, it goes into the library and you can access it later from there. So that's a bit about how this app works. What you can also do is you can add comments if you're sharing this with other people. As you can see, using the share button here, they can add their comments and then you can work on those comments as well. So brings in that collaborative angle also, right? So it's quite good overall. And if you are having difficulties building these sort of infographics on PowerPoint presentations, on Word documents, then come and try and use this, and it's going to be very helpful for you. Again, as I said, it's currently in free beta mode. You can use it as much as you want. There's no limit. I'm pretty sure ultimately there'll be some price on this because it's quite good. But in the meantime, make use of it. Tell me whether you like it or not. Tell me what you used it for. Maybe I can try to use it for those things as well. And hopefully it's useful for you, right? Again, this is something that I came across and thought I'll share it with all of you, and you'll like it and you'll use it. And if you did and you liked this short video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, so I can keep bringing you things that I see, more such awesome and amazing tools, something that you will like and enjoy and you can put to practical use. All right. Also, if you want to be notified of my future videos, click the bell icon so you'll get that small notification on your phones and on your laptops whenever there's a new video that comes up. All right. Don't forget to support the channel, and thank you for watching. Hopefully this was useful, and come back again when the new video pops up for some of the other tools that I'll bring. And till then, see you, bye bye, and take care.